Great afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's your favorite sacred self-talk mastery coach, Miss Cornell Riley, also known on my social media as Q Buddha Oblongata. That's QUBUDDA Oblongata. Guys, today I just wanted to post something that my son recorded about 2 years ago. It's 2020 now. I just stumbled across it and I just thought, like, wow, this looks really good. Some people might want, the recipe of this. So let me just throw it out there and see what happens. So basically my son recorded a video of me making dinner one night. And what we had was vegan ribs, vegan macaroni, baked beans, some collard greens, and like some garlic bread. There's absolutely positively no talking in this video. So if you would like to have the recipe, you could always shoot me a quick email or contact me on my social media, which is Instagram. You can just send me an email at cornell777@gmail.com or qbuddha@yahoo.com. Okay, I'm just going to give you a brief synopsis of what was going on here in the video, and then you could just put this baby on 1.5 speed and just watch it through. Okay, basically what I did was I made some vegan ribs. In the vegan ribs, I made it out of jackfruit, regular mushrooms, chopped up some onions and some garlic, vital wheat gluten, vegetable broth, regular seasoning for ribs I use in the rib rub. Then on the side, I mixed up some barbecue sauce, and how I made that was just regular ketchup. I used pickle juice, a little mustard, I use a little bit of vinegar, and I just mixed it up I put a little seasoning in there too. So I put some of that rib rub inside of that barbecue sauce and just mixed it up with a little water and some soy sauce and just mixed it up really good. And then I just kept, brushing it on the ribs, both sides through the ribs. I put little slits in the rib after I formulated them. I put little slits in it to make it a little bit easier for me to cut them later on. And I just kept bathing them in that barbecue sauce and flipping until it got to a nice consistency for me. And then I just chopped them up and put the rest of the barbecue sauce on it. Now for the macaroni, what I did was I used cashew milk. Now you can always boil cashews and then put them inside your food processor and make it to where it has that nutty flavor to it. But I just used cashew milk because it was just easier for me. So for the macaroni, again, I use cashew milk, I use nutritional yeast, mustard powder, potato starch. I'm just trying to name off some of the things that was a little off. And I slowly poured in some olive oil to kind of thicken it. You can use a little turmeric to kind of get it an orange kind of color. Regular seasons that you would put inside your macaroni. I boiled the macaroni noodles, and then I poured that vegan cheese that I mixed up all over it, covered it, stuck it inside of the oven, and then I garnished it really pretty, and I served it. So again, right here, you can press the fast forward, but before you do that, I'll be uploading quite a bit here in the very near future. So if you like this video, please like the little thumbs up, ding, 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 and please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much. Again, my name is Cornell Riley. Thank you. You guys have a beautiful rest of the evening, rest of the day, rest of the morning. Peace and blessings to you and infinite prosperity.
My senses tell me that you're down to earth, and sometimes more. Where will we find ourselves when all is said and done and we are dust? Honestly, I don't give a damn. They stand in front of me and I think I've gone crazy for you. And honestly, you don't give a damn. Can't hear a thing. I think you've gone crazy for you too. Now where did I come from? Your intuition tells you that I'm the only one for you. That night with you felt like forever. Long night turned early morning, sun in your eyes cast a horizon. Your senses tell you that I'm not on earth, but somewhere worse. Well, when we find ourselves when all is said and done and we are dust. Honestly, I don't give a damn. Now you're standing in front of me, and I think I've gone crazy for you, crazy for you. And honestly, you don't give a damn. Can't hear a thing. I think you've gone crazy for you too. I think I've gone crazy on the way, 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 on the way. Crazy on the way, 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 on the way. Oh, crazy on the way, on the way.